First, go to Unity Store and download a modular dungeon to use their prefab. There are free packages there. So these are mine and ready to use. We first focus on how to make just one room, which starts by floor. So what's the concept behind that? In the third world, we have XYZ. We want to put the floors both in X and Z axis so a plane is created. Y is 0 as we don't change the height. X means left and right, and Z is forward and backward. Imagine we want to make a room that is 5 by 5. X or width is 5 and Z or height of the rectangle is 5 too. Make a game object and give the code to that. We make these values public to change them later in the inspector. We make a function just for floors now, and remember to call it in the start function, so as soon as the game begins, the floors are created. We also need the floor prefab. Now we have a for loop to draw tiles in x-axis, which is width, and another for loop to draw floors on z-axis. Now we set positions so tiles or floors one by one go to their place. Then we instantiate the floor prefab in these positions, 5 on X and 5 on Z. Give the floor prefab in the inspector. Now the floor is automatically generated. We can easily change the width and height in the inspector as well. But there is a problem. Floor tiles overlap with each other. That's because each tile is not equal to one grid. So either resize the prefab to one grid size or calculate how many grid is one tile. Which in our case, it is 4 times bigger. So we multiply X and Z by 4. Now the problem is fixed and they don't overlap. Next session we add the walls.